Dear students, today we are going to solve example of mesh analysis. Here one closed circuit is given with two mesh 1 and mesh 2. We identify two current I1 and current 2 I2. Voltage source of different values 20 volts, 40 volts and 10 volts is given. Now we are going to use Kirchhoff's voltage law, sum of all voltage drop equal to 0. Then Kirchhoff's voltage law is useful for finding first simultaneous equation as well as second simultaneous equation for the loop 1 and 2. We are also using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So in first loop I1 current is flowing through this resistance 5 ohm. It will take a drop minus 5 into I1. Then this is common branch. Here first loop, therefore we refer first current I1 and I2 is also flowing in this common branch through 4 ohm. Therefore I1 minus I2 is the current resultant flowing in this common branch, and the drop is minus 4 into I1 minus I2. Then plus to minus, drop in potential minus 10, and minus to plus, that is the rise in potential. Here minus 10 and plus 20 is equal to 0. Kirchhoff's voltage law. We solve this and we get minus 9I1 plus 4I2 is equal to 10. This is equation 1. Now we go for second loop. Here I2 is the current we are considering first. So here drop plus to minus, drop in potential I2 into 3 minus I2 into 3 here. Then 8 into I2 minus sign minus 8 into I2. Then rise in potential 40, rise in potential 10. Again common branch current I2 minus I1 here. We are taking second loop, therefore first preference is for I2, and the common branch current is I2 minus I1. So I2 is flowing from down to up and I1 is from up to down. So minus sign for the I1, and we will get this equation equal to 0 here. Now we solve for this. Totally we are getting minus 15I2 plus 4I1 is equal to minus 50. I rearrange the terms. I perform this determinant minus 9, 4, then 4 and minus 15, then I1, I2, then minus 10 and minus 50. We are getting these terms. Minus 9I1 plus 4I2 is equal to minus 10. I am going to multiply this by 4 and I am going to multiply second equation by 9. So I will get two terms common and same. Minus 9 I1 into 4, that is minus 36, and here plus 36 when I multiply 9 with 4. So two terms with same value but opposite sign get cancelled. In next step you are going to see. Here these two terms get cancelled out and you will get minus 199 I2 minus 119 I2 is equal to minus 490, and I2 is after dividation 4.11. Put value in equation you will get I1 is equal to 2.93 ampere. So in this way we can find out current in mesh 1 as well as mesh 2, and it is very useful for finding response in resistances in the closed loop. Study it well.